Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun.
This is where I go to hide from the kids while Laura goes swimming. Really need a coffee.
What happened?
I'm in a glass case of emotion.
How much did you have?
Half a bottle of red wine.
Lightweight. I know something that make you feel better.
Was that your head?
I just smashed my head on my frame before I fell in.
You donkey. You donkey. That's what you call instant karma.
I was absolutely cracked my head then. That backfired.
Somewhere above me I can hear a drone, and we need to get on the drone shots because this place is stunning. So I'm going to give him a kick up the bum.
She just clicks her fingers and expects me to do a drone shot, just like this.
Well, I put drum and bass on. I'm going to get my head down and I'm going to get the work done with the boys on board. Even better, they've just offered to help me. Let's do this, team. Just off to explore some sea caves.
What am I doing in the cave or something?
How deep is it?
Okay.
Wow! Look at that! What is all the purpley stuff?
That is the volcanic rock.
Is that a volcanic rock?
Yeah, that is.
Hey Josh, what do you think of the cave? Have you found any treasure?
Joshy, maybe not all the way, not too far.
There's lots of bat poo. A whole load of bat poo. Josh? Where's Josh gone? Where are you? Oh, hello. Right, Mummy?
And that concludes
Bye.
the caves. Bye-bye. Aww, Noah's got his own donkey.
Oh, I might have a poo in the park.
Watch out for the donkey do. Come on, Josh. Come on, Speedy.
But I don't want to slip into these dollars, oh, just so I can buy some nice clothes. I'm on my way home, I'm on
Tell you what, I've had myself a beer.
I think you always think you've earned yourself a beer. You get out of bed and you think you've earned yourself a beer.
home to a place that I know, and working every day seems to take my soul. I hope one day I don't get too old, 'cause I don't want to flipping all these burgers, oh, just so I don't sleep in the cold. And sing about the waves and I sing about the sea, 'cause they've always been good to me. And I'm just gonna slip into the sun and go back to where I was grown. I'm on my way home, I'm on my way home to a place that I know, I'm on my way home, I'm on my way home to a place that I know, I'm on my way, I'm on my way home, I'm on my way, I'm on my way.
Joshy, I'm having it's on that float. Do you want it?
Olympic rowing there, Anna.
Yeah.
Joshua the pirate. Do you want to play skipping?
Babysitters around here are brilliant.
They're actually trying to put our kids to sleep.
Best babysitters ever. Oh, put me to sleep.
He's sleeping.
No, you can't. What's that? No, he said he wants to swim to you.
Oh,
no,
yeah.
Stop it. Stop. Come back.
Oh, it's brilliant.
Okay.
There's going to be people around here going, what the bloody hell are they doing? Bye-bye. All the best.
Bye.
Safe journey. Enjoy.
Just let us know if you need anything, okay?
Okay. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell. Leave any comments below. Thank you.
Where are you off to today, cool dude?
Mummy, I'm off to go on a motorbike with Daddy 1-to-1.
You excited?
Yeah,
What are you going to do? You're going to hold on very, very tight, aren't you?
I'll hold on as tight as I can.
Good boy. You look very cool, by the way. Yeah, as you can see, we're having a bit of a one-to-one day. So I'm having one-to-one day with Noah. We're just going to hang out on the boat and then swim to shore with him on the lilo behind me. And Joshy is going off with Daddy.
On a motorbike.
On a motorbike. And I'm going to not freak out one little bit.
Bye. Someone's excited. Right, Josh. Our motorbike is red. See if you can see it. It's a red one.
Found it!
Have you?
See it there. Hello guys.
You ready to roll?
Yeah,
Should we go and show them the view from the top?
yeah.
This is the view from above.
Wanna see if we can hit that road by a taco food truck.
How are you finding this, Josh?
Amazing.
Wanna see if you gon' hit that groove in the sunshine, love, sipping on the sundew. Can't believe that it's already dark. We were chilling in the sun, baked potatoes in the park, and I wanna know if we gon' hit that spot. Green.
We're in the woods, aren't we? We're a bit lost right now. Might look at the map in a minute. Quite like being lost though.
Do do do, ooh ah ah, do do do, ooh ah ah, Jana Jana had a water gun and a soul. Everyone gets
You know where we are?
Where?
I don't know. I'm asking you.
I don't know either.
Are we lost?
Little. But look over there.
along. Yeah, you fell on the lawn. Alright.
We've got some olive oil and some pistachio nuts in honey.
Pistachio nuts in honey. I wonder what they taste like. Should we try some?
Okay.
All right. Go on then.
That's actually amazing.
Oh, the selling man opened up his can to sing.
Better than sweets.
Yeah.
Ready to roll?
Yeah.
You look like it.
Get along, get along, get along. Do do do. Alright. Do do do. Alright. Do do do. Alright. Do do do.
Just look at my dog. Amazing.
Come and fly away with me. 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 Come and fly away.
Thanks, Noah.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Wiping all the blood off your leg.
The boat's trying to hurt Mummy all the time, isn't it? And then put the plaster on. I like the way you put it on. Is it on properly?
Yep.
Is Nurse Noah happy with his efforts?
Well, Mama's in there. I'm just a dinosaur. That's who I am.
It's so pretty. It's lovely. Always try and not take it for granted. We're here on this beautiful boat doing what we're doing. Because not every day is paradise in paradise, but we always try and stay thankful for it at the end of the day.
When the world is sound asleep, something's gonna bring the change. Journeys we are meant to take. Something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away. Don't you be afraid